back here with us on Times Now. As far as Disha Salian's case is concerned, there is another big sensational development. Another Times Now scoop on Sushant's ex-manager Disha Salian's death. Times Now Siddhant Mishra has accessed the diary entry of Disha's body at Bhagwati Hospital, and your channel has also spoken to the hospital staff who received Disha's body. The staff confirms Disha's body arrived on 11th of June, that is 2 days after Disha's death. In fact, she died on 8th of June and the body had arrived 2 days later for the post-mortem. Let's listen in to this conversation.
जून हाँ 9 जून ये तो 4 जून का है। जून 20 मार्च आ गया। एक मिनट, हाँ ये दिशा सतीश सालियान ये है। तो इसमें कुछ लिखा हुआ है क्या? बॉडी पे था कुछ लिखा रहता है?
इंजरी तो पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट में है।
मल्टीपल इंजरी, ब्लड फॉर सीए ग्रोपिंग, वेजाइनल स्वैब एंड सदर
वो
अननेचुरल डेथ था। तो कुछ सीरियस केस था क्या? फोटो नहीं ये मुझे बताइए, कुछ इसमें सस्पेशन था क्या इस केस में?
अभी वो जो पोस्टमार्टम करता है वो डॉक्टर
कौन है? वो डॉक्टर
जादू साहब ने किया ना?
जादू साहब ने किया। पर उसकी बॉडी पे कपड़े थे क्या, याद है आपको? क्योंकि पोस्टमार्टम में आया बॉडी पे कपड़े नहीं थे।
नहीं थे, वो इंजरी देखने के लिए खोला होगा ना सब बॉडी पुलिस वाले।
हाँ हाँ, अच्छा। तो क्या इसका पोस्टमार्टम डिले हुआ था क्या थोड़ा?
नहीं वैसा कैसे?
वो बोल रहे कि 9 की जगह 11, देखिए 11 लिखा भी है उसमें। 11 को
11 तारीख।
अच्छा, यहाँ पे 11 को ही बॉडी आया। अच्छा, पोस्टमार्टम पहले शताब्दी गई थी बॉडी और 11 को आया और 11 को ही पोस्टमार्टम हो गया। ये है ना सर? ये कौन है सर? DK जाधव। इनमें से कोई डॉक्टर होगा अभी? इनमें से कोई डॉक्टर होगा? इनमें से कोई डॉक्टर होगा?
डॉक्टर नहीं
दूसरा डॉक्टर था कोई होगा? किसी से मिल सकते हैं क्या?
अभी तो गए डॉक्टर, बाहर गए।
कितने बजे तक आऊँगा?
Siddhant Mishra, my colleague, is now joining us on the broadcast. We have Kajal Iyer as well tracking the developments on the story. Siddhant, to you first, explain to us what did you find when you visited this particular hospital? Because, Disha Salian died on 9th of June, but the post-mortem actually happened on 11th. And her body was taken to Bhagwati Hospital only on 11th.
Well, the fact is that yes, body was taken to Bhagwati Hospital on 11th of June, and this is what even hospital records suggest. Now, the police has to say that the 2 days delay happened because of the COVID, as they had done COVID test of the body, and when the reports came negative, they took body to Bhagwati for the post-mortem. Now, the hospital records also suggest multiple injuries on body, at the same time brain damage, which usually happen when even somebody commits suicide. Now, the fact is that we are doing a responsible investigation in the entire case. We are not saying that both the cases are directly linked, but we are raising questions that they can be a coincidence also, but we are raising question. And the fact is that we've spoken to the person who was present at the time of the post-mortem. He is the one who attended the body. He confirms to me that there were clothes on her body. He also confirms to me that we couldn't find anything suspicious when body came, and he opened the records of the Bhagwati Hospital, which is exclusively with Times Now, to show me the date and timing of the postmortem, and how many five doctors medical team did the postmortem, and at the same time he also told that what all are the findings, prima facie findings in the postmortem. So these are the very important diary entries of the hospital, which even police also acknowledges at the time of an investigation, and Times Now has managed to access these diary entries for our viewers.
Right, stay with us, Siddhant. We want to once again listen in to the sequence that you have sent to us exclusively.
9 तारीख को बॉडी लगी है। 9 जून, हाँ
9 जून।
हाँ 9 जून। ये तो 4 जून का है। जून 20
मार्च आ गया।
एक मिनट। हाँ ये दिशा सतीश साल्या, ये है। तो इसमें कुछ लिखा हुआ है क्या? बॉडी पे था कुछ लिखा रहता है?
इंजरी तो पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट में रहता है।
मल्टीपल इंजरी, ब्लड फॉर CA ग्रोपिंग, वेजाइनल स्वैब एंड सदर
वो
अननेचुरल डेथ था। तो कुछ सीरियस केस था क्या? फोटो नहीं ये मुझे बताइए, कुछ इसमें सस्पेशन था क्या इस केस में?
अभी वो जो पोस्टमार्टम करता है वो डॉक्टर,
कौन है वो डॉक्टर?
जादू सब ने किया ना।
ज़्यादा साहब ने किया, पर उसकी बॉडी पे कपड़े थे क्या? याद है आपको? क्योंकि पोस्टमार्टम में आया बॉडी पे कपड़े नहीं थे।
नहीं तो वो इंजरी देखने के लिए खोला होगा ना सब बॉडी, पुलिस वाले।
हाँ हाँ, अच्छा। तो क्या इसका पोस्टमार्टम डिले हुआ था क्या थोड़ा?
नहीं वैसा कैसे
वो बोल रहे हैं कि 9 की जगह 11, देखिए 11 लिखा भी है उसमें। 11 को
11 तारीख को।
अच्छा, यहाँ पे 11 को ही बॉडी आया। अच्छा, पोस्टमार्टम पहले शताब्दी गई थी बॉडी, और 11 को आया, और 11 को ही पोस्टमार्टम हो गया। ये है ना सर? ये कौन है सर? DK जाधव। इनमें से कोई डॉक्टर होगा अभी? इनमें से कोई डॉक्टर होगा? इनमें से कोई डॉक्टर होगा?
अभी डॉक्टर नहीं है,
दूसरा डॉक्टर था कोई होगा? किसी से मिल सकते हैं आगे?
अभी तो गए डॉक्टर, बाहर गए।
कितने बजे तक आऊँगा?
Let's go back to Siddhant, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Siddhant, now what really explains this delay of 2 days? What is it that the Mumbai police have to say about it? And you know, many questions were also being raised as to no forensic surgeon went to the scene, went to this place from where she fell down and died.
Well, absolutely. You know, now Mumbai police gives me explanation saying that because COVID times were on, we had to do COVID test first of the body as per the protocols, and then do postmortem, and this has taken 2 days time. So on the intervening night of 8th and 9th, this incident happened, and on 11th, body reached the Bhagwati hospital first. Now the questions that many are raising on Mumbai police is the fact that that as far as the reconstruction of the entire scene was not done by Mumbai police. The nail clipping, the forensic evidences were not taken, and there were certain reports also that how Mumbai police was less serious about this particular case. But the fact is that after Times Now's campaign, a week back, Mumbai police has again started investigating this case seriously. More than 25 to 30 statements have already been recorded. Disha has also spoken to her close friend Ankita, who was in London then. She has returned back, and her statement was also recorded by Mumbai police. Now the family alleges no foul play. Family has to say they don't have to make allegations on anyone, but due to pressure from the media and civil society, Mumbai police has decided to investigate it in a right manner. We have also been told that very soon Mumbai police teams will do reconstruction of the entire scene at Disha's flat in Malvani, from where she allegedly committed suicide. And now also Mumbai police has opened the window and asked everybody that those who are making claims on social media that they have any information can walk to Malvani police station, can help police in investigating this entire case. Now the fact is that the diary entry, we have the postmortem report, we have the diary records of the Bhagwati hospital, we also have other case related details. All these records tell us one thing, that on 11th body reached Bhagwati hospital and on 11th only postmortem happened. These records also clarify that there were clothes on her body which have been preserved for the forensic purposes. This also tells that there were multiple injuries, but those injuries can be because of falling from a height. So all these things are clear, and we are breaking down this for our viewers for their better understanding, because there have been a lot of curiosity as far as Disha's case is also concerned. Several questions were also raised even by the leaders from the Bharatiya Janata Party, Narayan Rane, who made some very gory allegations on allegations, but all those things are not found neither in the postmortem report nor in the
Right.
hospital records which we accessed, and those allegations are baseless.
Right.
This
Siddharth,
is what we
stay on with us. Let's once again play out that sequence that you've sent to us from Bhagwati Hospital for our viewers.
9 तारीख को बॉडी लगी है। जून हाँ 9 जून ये तो 4 जून का है। जून बीच मार्च आ गया। एक मिनट, हाँ ये दिशा सतीश सालिया, ये है। तो इसमें कुछ लिखा हुआ है क्या? बॉडी पे था कुछ लिखा रहता है?
इंजरी तो पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट में रहता है।
मल्टीपल इंजरी, ब्लड फॉर CA ग्रोपिंग, वेजाइनल स्वैब एंड सदर,
वो
अननेचुरल डेथ था। तो कुछ सीरियस केस था क्या? फोटो नहीं ये मुझे बताइए, कुछ इसमें सस्पेशन था क्या इस केस में?
अभी वो जो पोस्टमार्टम करता है वो डॉक्टर,
कौन है वो डॉक्टर?
जादू साहब ने किया ना।
जादव साहब ने किया, पर उसकी बॉडी पे कपड़े थे क्या? याद है आपको? क्योंकि पोस्टमार्टम में आया बॉडी पे कपड़े नहीं थे।
नहीं तो वो इंजरी देखने के लिए खोला होगा ना सब बॉडी, पुलिस वाले।
हाँ हाँ, अच्छा। तो क्या इसका पोस्टमार्टम डिले हुआ था क्या थोड़ा?
मैं वैसा कैसे
वो बोल रहे कि 9 की जगह 11, देखिए 11 लिखा भी है उसमें। 11 को
11 तारीख को।
अच्छा, यहाँ पे 11 को ही बॉडी आया। अच्छा पोस्टमार्टम पहले शताब्दी गई थी बॉडी, और 11 को आया, और 11 को ही पोस्टमार्टम हो गया। ये है ना सर? ये कौन है सर? DK जाधव। इनमें से कोई डॉक्टर होगा अभी? इनमें से कोई डॉक्टर होगा? इनमें से कोई डॉक्टर होगा?
डॉक्टर नहीं
दूसरा डॉक्टर था कोई होगा, किसी से मिल सकते हैं?
अभी तो गए डॉक्टर, बाहर गए।
कितने बजे तक आऊँगा?